totally bad.
The new force was fake. When we started
Abusia mesra so benya ho abotre na yahwe video ne nto aso enche bia na eye Efia Pokua dodo na anim no se oye somtreni na omoye omu program o YouTube na sen o de kasa bi betudwa Mpanifoɔ kyerɛ sɛ kasa no entwe ye ene to omo frɛ no omo to nsa frɛ no e wo Manhyia Palace na kasa bi kɔ so emre omo kopie mu hɔ no na saa kasa no mu no yenua eye kumchacha eso agrand interview one presenter dodo na msi frɛ no Kofi na also the kasa bia betudwa before that ansa na yebekɔ ne akoti onuaba no nenum kasa no cheda na nakwan bedi akɔ ono so the kasa bia betudwa in fact kasa no trend pa wo kasa fidie so na mesro before yebekɔ no me like button so ma me na say wo subscribe channel ya o mo so subscribe channel ya bae na yekoti enuanimi omonum kasa o mo dia betudwa
me say obi nkasa Efia Pokua de na wo ye no aya de papa akwala no wa anya de papa sedi osika sai no kasa bahat eti ya santefo nkwala na ya papa ya papa ya kasa asam ne ye de na mom ayemfofo na mudi asam no muntie mu amudi asam mo sa afokuo no mudi asam no eya mo na mama mo ho kwa ma na basa bia ma na ho kwa na ewo dolim ya ne muti asante ya nya boni o enya hwe o ye bebu kumasi dwa e ma besiam so obi anko race course ya kwa sika awo bank akoye race course kama masha da fa kontiri kwan abe bire japade ye nyina ato agu owi amasa de ama enipa foforo ama nipa suo ene amon ka ho he chia me kwakus akola abaya ya sami wona wano oden ya wotibi ka asante kasa ma obi anwo sasa be mpreduasa wo ya asante ni ba wo so na rescue so asam ya de brawo wona woji ko bi ene adwene ene sika di ya so wo de be kwa asan be kwa mo otumfo wotimi de ko yi mona mama ekoya da wo no mona mama wo hina ni emenyam no mo ayefufo am wo kuro ma mona mama otumfo na ni menyam no aya muni asam no kra nipa suo ni yentimenka nipa su yentimenka afoku ya mudi asam mo sachi ame kwa kusu se aya da na wo ba bi bo ni bia me na me bo chi ame kwa kusu bia na na ka se hin ho wo so kwa bo ya wura mane ko pe na no otumfo amane otimi kwa ba na amane ye boni ya wodi otimi kwa ba na amane ye asam ame kai na na sama hin wonim rescue so mo be dwiri go ye wasade akomani pa afro amen na kadrome ada na mo ye nipa bonu force asante fo ayefofo mugu asante men mona mama wotumfo ayeni ane nya kase na otumfo ayeni ane ya kase pa ya moa sikadia basabasa wadie bone pen ya mo bone pen asante fo ma ya wa asante ya mo ya de sika ko ya rescue but me aranya me anim about the rescue na wo pata ya ma besia de de sika ko ya rescue na maka fa ho na ka ti me rescue ana ma jiama nkrofo ma jiama enipa foforo achi sika amaka adru yan ada na mo yasa itiwai abusia ko ya de jame sami reso akwa to abusia ko no ade akotua ka stay ka da manim ada na mo yabone sa ada na mo yabone sa otumu so otumfo atia oba wuro mo nyina mo na mo mpaboa ane ano dia mo otumfo ate ada na obi dia de mo otumfo atia na bi dia de mo otumfo atia ayi fufu mo wakura mo ade na be tua mo nyina mo kasa dia ne nyima tetia wo hene bia oba gina ho ama ya dwi response ni go ya aya won sa dia komani pa afra dia ya me oba tua mo nyina mo kasa dia mo nyima tetia ada na mo ya bone sa eni pe wo eni pe so eni pe timinko kama sa mi mami o e ka romio otumfo di masa mami o can't room you. I was young, quiet, mammy. Papa, talk one corner. And you got Chiaka, and Sutia. Papa, Sutia, Papa, Sadimawo. Sama in Adimawo, Casa in Adimawo, and Yamunka. What if you have been a move ready? What if you have been a move ready? I covered the matter, mammy. I can't room you. I can't room you. I can't watch me. I can't watch me. But of what's the go? But of what I'm sick of. Vitamin Pio. Vitamin Pio. Mewo. Otovuade mi o. Otovuade mi o. Otovuade mi na mewo. Otovuade mi o. Otovuade ma se mame. Otovuade ma se mame na mewo. Mewo. Ebi dia de kwa invia bi ya fa bi kwa invia dia. Otovuade mi o. Jimmy no matter mama po. Come mami o. Otovuade mi na mewo. Jame kwa kusu mi na mboni biano. Ana no amu otufu ante. Otovuade mi na mewo.
The issues that the new force has faced when we started our campaign. It's been less than a year. You want to know? I'll give you 6 of them now. And first of all, my billboards were all vandalized by somebody professionally. I did not say anything. Secondly, somebody comes and pulled a mask and say he's the one by somebody supporting them to do that, who is also in a political realm. I did not say anything. I just responded that I don't know this person through New Force and said that he's a rogue. And then he says I'm not the one, so I sent a white lady as a spokesperson to come and tell my story for me because I'm wearing a mask. Then the white lady comes, and then the whole country hammered her, and then they catch her and deport her after keeping her 7 nights in cells, which was human rights infringement. Okay? Did I say anything about it? No. Then after, I bring 4 people all over Africa, 2 politicians who are the most radical politicians on the continent, and 2 activists who have got the biggest voice, to just come and ignite their voice in this country. What happened? It was cancelled 2 hours after spending hundreds of thousands of dollars. Did you hear me say anything? Okay, so by now, if I go on with the other 3 or go on and get to 10, you will see that Nana Kwame Bediako is not the man that watches the devil that spills the milk. I don't have time for them. I am focused. Nobody pokes me. What is supposed to be done gets done. And I'm not here to judge anybody for their mistakes or their faults. I hope they learn from their mistakes. Because you see, a mistake for the first time is a mistake. But a mistake for the second time is a decision. So some of us are taking decisions based on our own preference and interest. And that's what I'm talking about, that we should push all of that aside and put the nation first. This is why we're telling you that we unveil when we're ready. So when I unveil, you will see everything clearly. Yes, but for now, everybody will be kept in a suspense. You know why? You can do that if you have the chance. They even give people's phone numbers as well. But if you can't, you can ask them. So until I was ready to unveil, no one can touch me. You can deport my spokespeople. You can do all of that. That's the ones that they've shown their face. But the same thing is what I'm telling my brother here. That, you know, I don't know what someone will go and do to my vice tomorrow if I say it now. So let me protect her and let me... she is a she, of course. I will not come with the him alone. Yes. You think, how were we made? Which one of you came here with a he or a she? I have to come with the same structure, the tree I came from. Okay, we belong to a tree that takes a man and a woman to put us here.
Is it the woman who was standing behind you?
Well, that is my wife, and I wouldn't mind bringing my wife as a vice president. Self, as a mother and a father, that you spent 22 years of your life to educate your child, knowing that your investment after 22 years when they finish university, they're going to have a job to take care of you. But after that 22 years, the child becomes jobless and hopeless. They don't have a future, so they start to look for a future. At that point, anybody that sells this child a hope, they will take them. So I want Ghana to understand one thing, that we're losing our youth, but we're losing the biggest investment of the nation. Because when they become 22 and 23, that's when these youth are ripe. And somebody comes to take them. If these people were of no value, do you think the same white man or the same European who is restricting you from getting the visa will now offer the visa to your young and fresh blood to come to his country or their country? No. They are importing talents from us. We are importing goods from them. The skills that they import and the talents they import from us is the same skills and talents that manufacture the tin tomatoes, the iPhones and everything, that you go back and buy it. What am I here for? I came here to turn it around. That instead of we importing, we are about to introduce, or we're going to introduce to you, the 16 regional industrial revolution that has left the 15 regions dormant and the one region choked. We are about to bring neutrality and equality based on the fact that every citizen in this country deserves a part of their own equity of this state's resources. And therefore, we are going to refine these resources. We are going to process these agro processes with the people that we're educating to work and grow the industry and build the economy. Because until that is done, trust me, you and I can climb up and come back down. The European, the Chinese man, the Asian, the American, they will take your people. Because you don't have the power to develop your country and the power to build your nation. Therefore, your nation will migrate through any pipeline they find.
American say, what say? On your TV, show na ya na friend of BB Jijo no. Eh me soft kun charge am ni mona Gucci and start here.
Okay.
Ya start show na ye show na so many years. Even se mona ni ho na mona tu kwan. That's a bia dan won fele so beba. Na wa bra me na metene mu ma no. Me na metene mu ema no na ma yeshu na kama eti kofi me ye obi a ma yesa adwuma no wo ho ache what am I say eti said dana onko so no said dana pe ena mantumi anko so said dana kora mantumi anko na kora na eye ko incident say minianu mu UTV efreme ena me call UTV Miss Jane program na so eno kore ne Empress Gifty Empress Adoye ena yes show no say dan na mentumi anko so say dan so na asem ni siye ana yenua ba na sebe hwese kofi woni nkrofo ye show na de bia amko na de bia amko show na de bia amko na bibia to nua no say ubedi mi adanse ya se mi obi a sa me ni obi na mo me nyini pema yeah what I say me ni obi na mo me nyini pa emma because there be am ka say your friend sleep is your sleep
I don't know you can actually say
onyon koda ene woda
oh okay your friends sleep
thank you
is your sleep
sabe me no wonnam na kofi sabe bibi to me ana bibi to na man show me do ankyere wa babu so obi ni wodo so de ne kra beto wa maninua na man show me do ankyere wa na me bebo wasenua mu a na actually no me san ba se me do wa me se wodo no me kum chacha de me no nam kra me nyi wonni biem koduta me wi asebe se taba asam ato unua na unua nya asam anya problem no show love actually no eti kwa me ko manhia sabe ye ko ye nyina akere se show no meka ho dan pe na mama ena me no won na ye nti bibia to won a ese me tumi di akire na me follow na me ko ne yenso ye ko hwe de ye eko eti no Onuya TV deputy CEO Mr. Nuyama. Any Mpanifoɔ aka wo nyinaa. Any ye koye. What I say? By once obi ena safukum chacha de okoye den. Safukum chacha okoye den. Okoye den wo manhia. One say I say me use word bi kofi. What am I mean ko ni say? Me koye den wo na esese wo kɔ. Wo a wo hu hia no yamfa wankɔ. What am I mean ko ni sa? What I say? I saw baby, etumi hwa ne nyonko ba saa kai. Man we dey so mfata sister we. Man we dey on fata no. Wo no fata wo so wanwale wo. Ana wo no fata wo enso wanse wo pɛ wanpɛ wo. Sabe, wo a wo se, wo nim de wo soro. Na wo nim de na hyehyɛ dan ma. Na wodwen no e wo soro no. Sabe mpredi asa yamfa wankɔ.
Enti de etie nyina ne se ukoye enam se
Mene wo na yesho
program. Okay. Abra mo be kono na mo botaye titu ene se.
Won se tama ye be kono. Na Mpanifoɔ no adikan akɔ Kumase be 2 times kora.
Okay.
Ene ye nana hene ba ko a wo ye kwawufoɔ hene a wo Kumase.
Okay.
Akodi nkomama nkomodi akokoso a be 2-3 times.
Okay.
Yet is nkomodi na koso a edina say ye nananom so a wo manhia no. Owa som say ene momra.
Okay.
Edina hyehyɛ na si say Monday no ye holiday. It is an tie dia ye de hye Monday. Na Monday no yakɔ. Sa na de no koye.
Okay.
Edina hyehyɛ na si ene ma Monday no ye koye.
Monday no abra mo kono na mo ahyehyɛ kwan a Efia okuya befa so de ne kyew pa na akɔ anase na yese yeduru ho a na wa ankaso aka wasem se na netie
Dabi on say ansa na kofi wo bɛkɔ ɔhen kase wɔ no dabi ya meka so hwɛ manhia ɛwɔ no mo no etise Supreme Court pepe se yadu agina adakam ya na yeme ya on ya na obi on mo so le wo se emra ni kurum a emra ni ya Ghana de emra nya adwuma wo de emra ni niwu da emra be diwu no ena be hu se emra no eyi adwuma na se emra nya adwuma Ghana ye emra wo de ko repo akoda bi na be so nko prison ma wa no ntra hwɛ Kofi manhia any Supreme Court ye do gina wa baby a wakoma dwane kɔ no any said ye woni padi aye wo no manya wadwen sɛ wano betra hye ama wano atwa epokɔkɔ ama ye de wakogina manhia anase ye de wakɔ akogina court adakam so bi so obi wo ye bodu pa wo kuta kokudura Kofi ya du gina court adakam a na wo hwe judge anim na judge hwe wanim na hwe prosecutor anim na prosecutor say eyin so hwe wanim a Kofi eniema me yenu na ba utirim ada so obi Kofi akodi wo yele efufu anase wo bekɔ ensawon prison na wakoda wo eti court ya do gina adakam a wo Kofi wo to me poama
na yese wangasa kra bra ogina ho no ho poye
Kofi one say me ho ampo baako
okay
one say ewiase no
ebisa onye bo
thank you one say ewiase wonam wonom na wo ye bone a wo obi o sha atade tuntum kura afi so e police ni na wo ye mo hyew but wo nye bone a wo police a sebe wo nsuro no
yeah
what am I say one say manhia ho no ade ti ameka sa na say wo wa ye bone ana wafom ne ye do begina Mpanifoɔ anim a enye easy ewo ho eti no me de SS of kum chacha de medical kase program no na me nka ho na me koye do Kofi me ka de sha urade enumonyam one say one way kika sebe ensem hunu ni jimie anyone one na self kum chacha do koye den dabio na nipa ye koye nyina na ye koye ye wura ote kokko so ne chiame no akasa wantu wa han na obonidi
yeah kum chacha okasa wantu o se kum chacha
akasa wantu a mimidi na obo what I say yetina te say manum nyam na ekuta me na me de koye no kora no eye bibi manum nyam no eye bibi what am I say ana ahemfo na ewo ho no egu no even ba ku bi wo mu kora no ye masole pani wa ha
oh okay
no ye masole pani wa kra na ode akote ne komase
oh okay
what I say
okay
eti no yen ko ba bi kwa yen tu anamon bi kwa
okay but chaupa no enti na me bisa se mo kono na mo aye se Efia Pokua wo kwan bi a onfa so mpa chew na na afi se after no de epie wa akire no ama ye nhunu nchemu a de ma ye kire se na mpanimfo edi kan akoso a afi na kwan mu ada ho se momra ade na nko de na sesa ye
se Kofi won se mejina ofidie we so akase sade yetie bia no yenua ba no se me sofu kum chacha me beka wo ofidie we so se okase yi a na ma no kora ne wa won se ne kasa no wan kase yi wan kase yi o wan kase yi ye nyina me se me kondem kasa ne nemu odu da ewiase yesi di otwasa ya na wonim sendachi achia by meba sam na wo ken so na me dey fan say
okay
mimrem ahemfo ne wo manhia mimfa brem ba akokore ma won mimfa brem ba akokore ma won but won wa me di brem ma won ebinom a me di brem ma won social media fo ni bi social media fo ni bi Kofi adentina mekasa one say ewiase e wono Ghana de na oye no me se etan baka me se asam na Ghana kan na nye ensese ye kasa asam ne kire wo hena na pani ana wo bi odimu enye but me no de wo mu American say wo ewu social media no ebinom eya asam na to nua Kofi obetumi to carefree anom no wakowu obetumi to carefree anu akonya accident eti wafom by ayemfo na etwi nanim ne de mini program ba social media fo na ebinom nto ombo ase
because what you say omo na asoja gum ama aye
ebinom na asoja gum ama
okay
obeye ni video a wodi bedidi girl natem Efia Pokua natem sa girl yanso etumi twa ahemfo wo komase nyina edidi asantefo nyina atem edidi manshiafo atem but ninua de ye baaye no ye mo na senuyem ono kura na no odin wo media no so eti de American say media fo no ebinom ayifo no bloggers fo no ebinom ene onwa ya ma ade ya chibia on person di new mon kan say update ya se de ekensen foforo eyese ekensen foforo eti de wo mu an say unua fom Roman chapter 3 verse 23 osi ye nyina ya ye bone onyame yenu onyama boyen Isaiah 6:64 ya de trene kura te so onyame yenu ntomago what am I say but again no mem emna se matunifu bebre mama na advice bebre matunifu bebre ewiase wo no Matthew chapter 12 36-37 Bible so wanu onipa wanu mu asem ena ode bebu bem wanu mu asem na ode bebu fo eti yanso afutuo bia empanifo de amani bia wafa afutuo bia empanifo de amani bia waje atom wafa wan say na resa de na okoto fo mo wa do wa ye mre na wago no waye mre utumu so wonu ne ho utumu se kasa ne ko ba bi ensese ka ekọ but abana sa eti na ma yenso sabe obuoni ani diem na waye ga no se na waba radio as waba wonu ye TV abe pacha okora asan aba radio so abe pacha o de letter pie ba sabe ohin kase to so otumfo ye nyina TV so mpa ne chewo e nyina radio so mpa ne chewo entro letter emmo ewo dabi esese Mpanifoɔ tumi de ne kɔ no tumi kɔ pacho internet e basa
yɛhwɛ small video yi ahemfo no a edi animu no ba ko kyerɛ sɛ modi kan be hu no yɛntie no
na nankwanta kɛseɛ hene ɛbɔ saa branti no so minua paa papa nsi nua ɛtɔ ne na nankwanta kɛseɛ hene enya yi a tembia no ɔfrɛ no a kyɛsɛ yɛ etim ne na nankwanta kɛseɛ hene ne na nankwanta kɛseɛ hene ɛso ba na na saa ma hene hɔ ɛnom yɛ so okay ɛne asɛm no media general for ne bae yɛ de ahyɛ next week Friday nti ekyir no kyerɛ me sɛ no adwada ɛyɛ holiday enti ne yɛ nkrofo media general for na banti no umbetimi di dwanto abɛn me de madi wani mu do aba enunti ɛna me so megye dwanto ano a kyerɛ dwanto ano am de bani ka me de me sime nyi dwanto bia because girl me nim no enesi afoto a me de ma no si eduru ha pɛ ɔmfa ne ho nto fam no osu no wantie afa eduru bi no me pɛ sɛ me kasa me kyerɛ sɛ akwara no nye kwani ne tie ne a yɛsɛ ma menka na nam sɛ ma menkasa na obi a wo wagye dwanto ade wo na ɛso kasa no mu nyina aboa ama yi ato yi akodai ɔmfa ne ho nto fam no onsu kura nu ne ho no a wamfi me ɛkyɛ me frɛ nkra no ɔman me ɛnɛ ɛyɛ throughout my life they been taking me surprise say that
wotie na nan nsɛm a ɔka no a na kyɛ sɛ na nka wɔn hwehwɛ mu sɛ nka muduru hɔ no ɛsɛ afioku ya da fam emini esu twa gya dom yɛ hunu sɛ ba oduru hɔ no screenshot bi a me hu yɛ obi sɛ ɔkɔkyerɛ doggy style ɔde ne tibutu fam na bɛgya ne to ɛhwɛ wiem just social media ne obi ade interpretation meaning sɛ kwan a na ɛsɛ fa so no ɛna amfa so saa ɛna kɔ wie se ya na
wọ́n sẹ́ makasa mẹ́mẹ́nfa bremu ọmọ ahemfo náà ẹ̀tọ́ no mẹ́nfa bremu baako kora ma wọn because kofi wẹ́ mẹ́sẹ̀ gẹ́ẹ̀ ne kasa no yẹn nyinaa yà kọ́n dẹ́m ẹ̀nkọ́ yie sẹ́ni yẹ ti ebi ahemfo náà ẹ̀tọ́ no sẹ́bi wọ́n yẹ nipa wàtí ase wọ́n yẹ nipa wọ́n ti wọ́n nom na ọ̀hìn baako bi na ọ̀yẹ kọ̀kọ́ ọ̀wà paa ọ̀kasa yẹ koraa na ọ̀no kora kasa yẹ wọ́ ha nyinaa mẹ́hwẹ́ mi ẹnu wa na mẹ́hwẹ́ ama makoma kosoro no na me so ade ase video no wani nya kɔbɔ so a wo yɛ den wabufu wo beba enti me hu sɛ sɛdeɛ na video ni mu nsamte no ɛne sɛdeɛ na media fo ni bi nso bogya no na sɛ ahemfo no so ɛtea no etwi nanim ɛka nanim enti ohun twi nanim ka nanim a etiana so on nana no on ba no what I say on nana no on ba no etu on twi nanim aka nanim a problem bi enu
nana no so kyerɛ sɛ baabi a ne yɛsi ofi na according to meet na mo have oye no enye hɔ no ofi menim oya santini
kofi on sɛ saa nana no ohin kɛse baako ɛkan yɛ sɛ one ne papa kura di nkomo ama ne papa e na akasa akyele no ba me no
na say oya santini girl na ya santini
dabi sade ohin ne ka no
okay
eta say girl na ye sebe fa che me frafrani e na ne fan so ye kroboni
okay
sana ohin no e ka say one girl ne papa
okay
won say ya na ye nananom ne ade no eto da bi a obi se mi firi kuro we so da kuro no ofiri so kura na enye wo no ofiri by won nananom ado ene de won ba ho kuya ene de won ba ho awade ene de won ba ho etu ontumi obi on mom tumi betena kuro bi so wo won manyina etu bi san so ofiri yin obeka se ehwo na me free ba na ni nchi pa no na ewo ba bia efiri sana nana ekaye by kofi won ade ba ko a meka wa of kum chacha meka se we me nam wi asade a me pay tribalism me pay ye nyina no ukọ burochile se ya kofi afa keke hwaso akodu Germany America UK na na maburochile Ghana ni bia hu a uye nini ha
oye tuntum nko ade uhu tuntum a
thank you
no we ni age
na me say to da bia ebi to me churo sabe comment bi ni ade na nsem wa me ko UK ni ade abrantie bi odi mi wura shop bi mkuro okoto ade ma me okoto on 300 pounds owie no say ma me 500 pounds also no kum jaja the bia me the comment edi watem enso me hu no ma feel ni pesu what I say wo hu me no wa feel me ni pesu kofi yetu kwan sabe ayigbeni ni wo fantini ni wo asantini ni wo achimni ni wo koroboni ni wo ana sabe novna ni wo ye nyina ye nipa baako yamfantina wo mamu saa na asomdwe mra asin se we mimi se we kofi mempa me wasofo adamfo pa but me won kremofo adamfo mo on pemasem tie me preaching pa because on say me said hear me quotations no on wanije ya papa chief mam mmonyamfo wote say to da bi na me nam kuromu ana me fafa dama na makwaje mpaibo so kwa papa ne be welcome o kama ye nyina ye mfanshi yetirim say ye nipa baako enu ase wotie wan ne kasa na ne kasa a na wo ka kora ache say asantefo ni kwafuo nyina kora ye ntafo what I say ensuro buro na suro dokon eti santini sia kwani a we ye moja we ni nua sa na kwani sia santini a ye nyina ye nipa baako so set tribalism ni ade ye nyi free e kasam emwa na ye nkoye anim eti me de make us of kum chacha me kan say sabe eye kasa dodo ne kasa ena ama se mfum so na ba
say mo koye no na nka mo de odwan ekopata on
na lupremu odwan na ye de fine
o de me che say na nka mpata bi ekoso na nanom se omo anye chewpa no in fact de mo koye ni nyina no in summary no na nanom anye obi beka say menka brofo kakra were you disappointed
why then
were you disappointed
when you disappointed the reason ti am disappointed ne say sabe biem sabe yes sabe obosom kora mpo no yes
keep on watching why you think show